Hey guys, so we have the VTOMAN jump starter air compressor combo. It's the 4250 amp jump starter, so a pretty high amperage, at least on starting out. It does have two compartments, which is really nice. You've got the little pieces here for the air compressor or the tire inflator, and this is the tire inflator hose that is in the second compartment. The first compartment is the actual jump starter. Now this just pulls back, and this is where you put in the jumper cable. So this is the boost function, which I will talk about in just a minute. Now when you turn it on here, it's going to give you this screen, and we're going to go out to the battery, and say you have a dead battery, we're going to go ahead and hook up the black first to the negative, of course, and then we're going to hook up the red to the positive. I kind of just do that in that order, and it's going to give you a light on this little contraption here that's going to say correct. That's just saying you don't have them backwards. Now you go back in the car, and you're going to go ahead and try to start the car. Now if it starts, that's great, leave the car on. If it does not start, you may have to press that boost feature. That's going to give it a little bit more juice from the jump starter to start the battery. Now to go over the actual tire inflator, this is what you put on this little tire inflator hose. I really like these because there's just the clamps. You don't have to screw them on while air is leaking out of your vehicle. So we're just going to bring this over to one of our tires. It's a pretty hot day, so I don't think I'll need to inflate the tires really too much at all. We're just going to unscrew the tire cap. This just goes on and you clamp it on. You don't have to screw it on, which is really nice. Now once you do that, on the right hand side, it's going to show the actual tire pressure. So it's looking like it's about 34 psi in this tire. I only want to up it to about 35, which we'll go ahead and do. And again, this is the preset tire modes. So I just upped it to 35 manually and turn it on. And once it's done, it'll turn off by itself, which is a really nice feature. And from there, you're good to go. And it has different presets, like 36 for motorcycle. It has a higher one. For a ball, it has a lower one. You can cycle through these. It also has a flashlight feature, which is really nice. So if you press and hold this flashlight feature, it's going to turn on, and it has different modes. It's kind of hard to see during the daytime, but this is the red flashing mode. It has like an SOS mode, and that flashlight is going to be pretty helpful if you are trying to jump start your car at night. You can turn that on while you're trying to hook it up to the terminals in the battery. That would be quite helpful. This is also a power bank. I think it's a 26,800 milliamp hour power bank, so you have a high capacity power bank, jump starter, tire compressor. This is really an all-in-one tool, and I would recommend it.